Hello and welcome to Climbing Daily. We've got two great boulders for you today. The first one sent to us by Verya, and it's a V8 called New Beginnings. Great looking climb. Next is a boulder sent to us by Anton and is of Michal climbing this 7B. Thanks for that video, and remember that you can get involved in this show. If you've got a climb or a film that's sitting on a computer and you want to feature on this show, then email climb@epictv.com and we'll check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.